Terrific Tuesday, kindergarten. It's so good to see you. I'm excited today because we're going to start on a new vowel and practice that short vowel sounds. Now, yesterday we worked on ah, the short sound for the letter O. Today we're going to work on this sound. Think about it and see if you can tell an adult what vowel this sound goes with. What letter makes that sound? If you said the letter E, you are correct. The E goes eh. The E goes eh. The E goes eh. Every letter makes a sound. The E goes eh. Can you think of some words that begin with the eh sound? Good job. I can think of this one in particular. This is one of my favorite animals, and it is an elephant. Elephant. I also like to eat eggs. Eggs. Those are just two words that start with the short vowel sound for E that goes eh. Let's look at some more words that have that short vowel sound. Can you see what these words have in common? I noticed that in the middle of each word, there is the vowel E. Let's listen to the sound. Met. Has eh in the middle. Ten has eh in the middle. Men has eh in the middle. Set. Let. And get. All of these words have the vowel E as their middle sound. Remember what I told you, all the words we're writing need at least one vowel, so it's very important we know how to make our vowel sounds. Go ahead and write down a word that you can think of that has the short vowel sound eh. Send it to me on your Class Dojo portfolio. I can't wait to see what you wrote. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you for our next lesson. Bye.